There were a number of points because I was talking about disruption and innovation. And on the innovation side, it was learning to spot the habits that you have that you live your life by, accepting that those habits have been useful and might not be useful into the future. And that happens to organizations as well, so the organization needs to change into the future. So there's that area you need to change. And certainly for break bulk, it is a really big issue because there is a real risk of commoditization, in fact, obviously already happening, and there is a real risk of particularly containers taking large elements of the market. And as a result of those eating into it, break bulk should be looking at how do we change? How do we make the way that we do business different into the future? And it's very easy to be comfortable and say, it's worked this far, we'll just stay with what we've got, and then go out of business. The main thing is that people will take away different ways of thinking from events like this. For me, it would be really great if an event like this could have people who aren't in the supply chain for break bulk at the conference as well, because then you'd get different perspectives too. And so you'd have discussions with people who know nothing about the business and who would be saying, well, hang on a minute, have you thought of this? Have you thought of that? Why aren't you doing this? Which you won't get within the industry because the industry knows how to do what it does and does it very well.